Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl. It's Monday morning and I thought it would be a great way to start the week to start with a little intentional motivation. I'm going to read a quote from one of my creative journals and then we will just soak in some nature and set our week off right. This quote is from Aristotle. Pleasure in the job puts perfection in the work. Being mindful and putting positive intention in everything you do makes such a difference in the quality of everything that we do. I love that quote. I'm going to close my eyes. If you'd like to close your eyes with me, we can just soak in the nature, relax our mind, and put ourselves in a positive place to start the week, starting now. Wow, that felt great. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Remember, other people's opinions of you are none of your business, and how you set your intention is how you can control how your day is going to go. I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing week. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. And I'll see you next Monday for another motivational video.